I just opened my FREESEA FS 4500 multifunction, whatever, submersible pump. This is the best part. It's anti-dry, yay! Okay, out of frustration, I did not crumple this. It came pre-crumpled, and I would presume pre-frustrated. It's pretty much all in Chinese. There's some in English, but it's just warning, so it came pre-crumpled because it was probably just be thrown away. This product came with these. There's some discussion online in the comments about, like, can it shoot 11 feet in the air, or whatever it says. It doesn't say it can shoot 11 feet in the air. It says it can push the water 11 feet up. So if you have a hose, which that's what these are, hose attachments, then the narrower the hose, the farther it will push it up. But anyways, these go in here, boom, like that. This hose, that's sold separately, and it's not cheap. That was like 18 bucks. Then you just get the hose for the right size adapter that you put on, and you're ready to go. Okay, one last thing though, there are absolutely no instructions. There's nothing on the box to describe how to do this. So if you're like me, you get to this part and go, what the actual beep? There are 4 of them, and after a few minutes, it really wasn't that hard to figure out. But they go on the feet here, like this, I guess, so that the thing doesn't scratch or slip around while it's in the aquarium. I'm using this for an outside aquarium. It's just a livestock trough, 104 gallons. And I just have goldfish in there so you can eat the bacteria and stuff so that the water isn't tainted or full of mosquitoes if livestock want to drink. Peace out.
This is the Sump that's a pond pump that's supposed to pump 660 gallons per hour up to 11 feet in height. Obviously, it's not anywhere close to as promised. That is the pump box right underneath it, and the pump spout coming out the top. It's not even getting 2 inches in height, and it's only an inch under the water.
That's 1,100 gallon per hour. I don't think it's 1,100 gallon per hour. It looks like 150 gallons per hour. And I'm returning this pump.
Oh yeah, and it'll block it on it.